What if I told you potential customers can now contact you via WhatsApp from your Google My Business profile? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Vignes, your digital marketing advisor based in London. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your business WhatsApp number to your Google My Business profile using the latest feature from Google. Before we start, can I ask you for a quick favor? Please subscribe to our channel. It really encourages us to produce more digital marketing content like today's video. Thanks a lot. Okay, let's see how we can add your business WhatsApp number on your Google My profile like this one. This is super useful because it allows your customers to directly message you on WhatsApp from Google Search or Google Maps. First, open your Google My Business profile. You can do this by simply searching your business name on Google if you're logged into your business account. Click on the Edit Profile. Next, click on the Contact. This is where your phone number, website, and email are listed. Now, Google has introduced a new option here called Add WhatsApp Number. Click on Add WhatsApp Number and enter your business WhatsApp number. Make sure it's the same number connected to your WhatsApp business account. Google will send you a verification code via WhatsApp. Enter the code to verify your number. Once verified, click to save your WhatsApp number. That's it. Now your customers will see a WhatsApp chat option when they find your business on Google Search or Google Maps. This makes it super easy for them to contact you directly, faster than an email. And if you need any digital marketing support or help in setting up your Google My Business profile, myself and my team at Ragstakers are here for you. Click the link below to book your free consultation today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tutorials. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover any other Google My Business features. Finally, stay happy, keep growing, and let's build a positive world around us. Until then, this is Vignesh, your digital marketing advisor. See you in the next video.